In this video, I'm going to show you something very quickly, which is how you can able to join a group in Roblox. So first, go and open Google. Now search for Roblox.com and open this website over here. So once here, you need to click on your username up to the right corner. However, you must log in or create a new account just to be specific. Once here, just go and click on these three lines on the top left corner, and then here you will be able to choose groups. Go for groups. Now here are some groups that you can able to join. As you can see, there are multiple groups such as fan. These are the categories: role playing, building, experience studios. Let's go pick up this one, for example, which is studios military. So this is the group here. You can click on join group. There are public groups and there are private groups. It's depending on the category of the group itself. So once here, just gonna click on start puzzle, and you're gonna make some quick quiz that proves you are not robots, and here you'll be able to join the group. So I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.